Okay guys, I am back. I am back. Alright, and what I have here, yeah, I done took my eyeglasses off. Alright. Okay, I said I was going to show you how I make the shirt. And I'm looking for yellow material. I know I have yellow. I didn't throw away all my little pieces of yellow. Oh no. I think I did. Unbelievable. Okay. I didn't know I had a nice piece of yellow. I did. It couldn't have been all of it. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I'm back and I did find a small piece of yellow, and what I did was, you know, like I said, the first thing I did was cut this bow off because Winnie the Pooh does not have a bow. So we're going to just get rid of that. Alright, this is the shirt piece of material. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to fold this in half, and this is inside out. The right sides are facing together this way. This is the right side, and this is the inside. I'm going to fold this in half and just cut out the shape of a shirt. I mean, I guess I'm saying it like it's so easy, and actually it is, because I can sew a little bit. I'm just saying a little bit, and I'm just cutting it in like that, and I'm going to cut all the way up to that niche that I put in, because that's the shirt. Okay, and at this point what I do is, let me see, this side is a little bit more. I want the sleeve to be a little bit longer. There, that's good enough. And I take my trusty hot glue. I would use material glue, this right here, fabric glue. But and this does have a quick bond. It bonds in 5 minutes. It's quicker than a lot of them out there that I've seen. But hot glue is instant. So this is what I do. Let me get another glue stick ready. Just like that. And I flip the material right on top. Press it down while it's nice and hot, so it can go through the material, so it can adhere a little faster. Do the same thing on the other side. Put this in now. Push the material over on top of it and smash it down. And I'm just going to use this because it was hot. That hot glue is hot, y'all. Yeah, my little trusty bunch of balloons party pump. I like it, guys. It's going to save me a whole lot of arm action. Because I used to pump it up. I'm just going to cut this little extra tail off for here. Extra material. Right? So far so good. Now I just close it in half, fold it in half again to make an opening. And I just go about right here. I'm just gonna go cut, and I'm gonna swoop up like that. Then we're going to turn this little shirt inside out. I guess Winnie the Pooh's shirt was a little smaller because he had a fat belly, so his shirt kind of was like a midriff almost, I guess. But I'm not going to do that. We can just roll it up. Anyway, the shirt goes something like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on him. I'm going to put it on. Let's see what it do. That little arm up in there. Get the other side in. Oops. There we go. That's how I do the shirt, guys. And then I guess if you want to, you can cuff it in if the sleeve's too long, so you can see some of the arm. Just cuff it. Cute, right? And then I have a piece of yellow material. I can make it to an H or a P and glue it on. Let's see what that may say. Just do a P. Still did it wrong. Still did it on the wrong side. And this is all of the material, as far as yellow goes, is what I have left. So it's either do it right. I didn't want the pencil mark to show. Cut some of it off. Round it out a little bit. Oh, my light just went out. There. Well, actually, that's how it's going to be. And I think I'll open it up. There. And I'm going to put it on the shirt. I don't know, so hold it the right way. There we go. And we're going to put it on. I'm just going to do it while it's on here real quick. use hot glue. Okay. There we go, guys. Let me tuck it up a little bit. And that's it. Could be P for Pooh or P for Felicia, because her name begins with the P. P-H-I-L-I-C-I-A. Half her name and half her dad's name and half my name. Her dad's name is Philip. My name is Alicia. So we kind of combined it and spell her name P-H-I-L-I-C-I-A. There we are, guys, and that's how I do it here on Heart and Hand Creations and Events. If you guys like that demonstration on how I made this shirt for my Winnie the Pooh theme baby shower, let me know, guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so the next time I upload a new video, you will be able to catch that notification and you can see what I have going on. Then, what I also would like to say is, next time you see this, it'll be on the table. Decorations will be all set up and everything, and we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, the next video will be project number 3. 3 with 3 fingers. Project number 3. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.